Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to set shipping rates on Shopify. So for us to get started, the first thing that we're going to do is head over to the settings found here on the bottom left. And after doing so, we're just going to head over to shipping and delivery. Now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and create a new profile. So I already have here profile for us shipping in the Asia and then for the US. Now let's go ahead and set one, say for example, to Germany. I'm going to go ahead and click new profile here. And then this profile, for example, is gonna be for a certain product. So let's go ahead and call category 2 products, and then go ahead and add your products by clicking this one. And for the fulfillment location, this is where we're gonna do things. We're gonna add a shipping zone. So I'm gonna click this one here, and let's just go ahead and call this one Germany shipping. That is for me to easily notice or see this one. And then I'm just gonna search for Germany here. There you go. Click done, and then we're gonna add a rate. So from this time, let's go ahead and call the rate here however you want. By the way, I'm just gonna call it a Germany rate or Germany shipping. And then let's go ahead and click the price here. So this is in my peso or Philippine peso, by the way. So let's just go ahead and call this one or set this one to about 700. That is how much it is gonna cost me if I'm gonna do this one or ship this one from Philippines to Germany. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna click done, and yep, that's there now. I'm gonna go ahead and tap the save button, and afterwards we should be able to see it here. So again, you can click this one and make edits here as necessary. And that, everybody, is how you're going to set shipping rates on Shopify.